Glad to be back on a night like this.
Yeah, of course, massive night, massive 3 points for us, and to come here, like a place like this, hostile atmosphere, and get a result like that's massive.
I think reports of Gareth Bale's demise greatly exaggerated.
Yeah, it was. You saw tonight how world class he is, and he's produced again for us tonight, and he was brilliant.
How good was that performance? Was that the best under Chris Coleman?
It was, yeah. We've looked at it all week, and we've pictured how the outcome would go, and it came out perfect for us tonight, the game plan, yeah.
Where does it put you now? Top of the group, confident of getting to France?
Yeah, of course. One game at a time, we've always looked at it like that, but we've got a big one coming up in June now against Belgium, and hopefully we can take this into that.
It was a magnificent night, and the support you had as well.
Support was great. You saw the lads went over to celebrate with them at the end, and it's great to come out here with that support behind us, and like I say, hopefully we can take that into the next game.
And how did you feel getting on?
Yeah, it was brilliant. It's like I say, I've been working hard for it over the last year or so to get back fit, and to top it off with a victory like that's massive for me. Yeah.
It's a real feeling that this time is it?
I think we all feel it. Yeah, it's a great feeling around the place. We can't get carried away because it's just one result, but it's a big result on the way to what we want to achieve. Really.
Massive statement, though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's a massive statement, and I think a lot of people will stand up now and want to look at us on a regular basis. But like I say, coming into Belgium, we can only take confidence from that.
All the best, Sam.
Thank you very much. Cheers.